Welcome to class 4. This is your math class of chapter number 3, which is large numbers. As in previous videos, we have finished exercise 3rd A. And in this video, we will start next exercise, that will be 3rd B. But before starting this exercise, we will know how to find place values, comparing the number and arrange into ascending and descending order, and one more thing, how to make smallest and greatest number by given digits also. Okay, so as you can see here is given place values. What is the place value? We know very well that the position of a digit in a number gives its a place value. When any number having position, that will be only place value. Okay, the position of a digit in the number give it's a place value only. Okay, now let us we put the digit. It is given 3, 4, 8, 5, 2, 6, 7, 9 in a place value chart. How to represent this in place value chart? Always start from which one side? Right one side. And we know very well, in one's period 3 places are there. 1000 period 2 places, lakh period also 2 period, and so on. Okay, so as you can see, here is written ones, tens, 100. It comes in ones period 1000, 10,000. It comes in 1000 period lakh and 10 lakh. It comes lakh period. Similarly, crore and 10 crore. It comes in crore period. Okay, we call it as first period, second period, third period, and fourth period also. And we can see here digit what is given upside. Here from right side check 6, 7, 9. It is what? It comes in ones period. So 9 it is coming as ones place, 7 tens place, 6 100 place. First period is over. Next 1000 place what is coming? 2. 10,000 5. Then lakh 8, 4, 10 lakh 4 is coming, and crore place what is coming? 3. Okay, so as you can see here, downside is written expanded form also of this number. We can see here 3 is given at which place? Crore. So it is 3 crore plus 4 10 lakh plus 8 lakhs 5 10,000, then 2,000 plus 600, 7 tens, and 9 ones only. It will be the expanded form of this one number. Okay, so firstly we will write the number into place value chart, then we will write an expanded form. Okay, and now you can see here place value what will. Here see number what is given 3 crore 48 lakh 52,679. So what will be the place value now? Every digit you can see 9 is given at which place? Ones place. So 9 ones will be equal to 9 1 is a 9 only. Okay, 7 is given at tens place. So 7 ones 7 tens, 7 tens is 70 only. And 6 is given at 100 place. So place value of 6 what will be? 6 as 100. Okay, then next 2 is given Here see, place of 2, what is given at 1000. So it is equal to place value 2000, 2 multiply by 1000. And next 5 is given at 10,000 place. So 5 into 10,000, place value of 5, what will be? 50,000. Next 8 is given, place of 8, what is given? Lakh. So place value of 8, what will be? 8 lakh. Then next 4 is given, at which place? 10 lakh. So 4 into 10 lakh, what will be? 40 lakh only. Okay. Next 3 is given at crore place. So place value of 3, what will be? 3 crore. In crore, how many 0 are there? 7. And 10 lakh, how many 0 are? 6. Lakh, how many 0? 5. And 1000, 4 0 are there. And sorry, 10,000, 4 0 are there. And 1000, how many 0? 3 0 are there. And 100, 2 0. Okay. And tens, 1 0 only. Got it? As you can see here, always remember the 0. By that you can easily write the place value of large number. Okay. Next topic, comparing and arranging. How to compare and arrange the number. Suppose any number and how to check which is the greater or smallest number. Okay. And how to write in descending order or ascending order also. So always remember, to compare number, compare their digit left to right only. If the digit at place are equal, then compare the digit at the next place on the right. Okay. For example, it is given 1 crore 23 lakh 45,678, and this one side 1 crore 25 lakh. So look at the place from which one side? Only left side when we are comparing any number. So your left side and here also. At crore place, what is given? 1, and here also 1. So both are coming equal. So what we will do? Compare the digit at the next place. Okay. Next place, what is given? At 10 lakh 2, and here 10 lakh also 2. So here also both are coming equal. Then next digit at lakh place, what is coming? 3, and here lakh place, what is coming? 5. Okay. 3 is less than by 5. Here 5 is more by 3. Okay. So this one side is coming more. So which one number will be more? 1 crore 25 lakh. And we will make sign which one side? From right one side to right side only. Okay. Next example also you can see. Here is given, as you can see, here is given 49,054 and here 49,045. At 10,000 place, what is given? 4, and here also 10,000 place 4. Okay. 1000 place 9 and 1000 place 9. Both sides are coming equal. You can see. Then what we will do? Next place on the right. At 100 place, here is 0, and here also 100 place 0 only. So here also both are equal. Then next right place, what is given? Tens. Tens place, what is coming here? 5, and here tens place, what is coming? 4. So which one is more? 5 is greater by 4. So which one number will be greater? To right side, and make sign also right side only. Okay. Similarly, we can do next example also, and by this also we can find ascending order and descending order also. Okay, by comparing the number. And one more thing here, what is given? Making the smallest and the greatest number with the given digit. How to form smallest and greatest number? By using digits. If any digits are given, so how to make smallest number and how to make greatest number? As here is given, making the greatest number. The greatest number will have the most, crore, lakh, thousand, hundred, and so on. So write the given digit in descending order. Okay, it means when we are making greatest number, then always write digit in descending order. And descending order means what? Bigger to smaller number. Okay. If any digit are equal, then keep them together. Okay. One example is given here. Given digit 7895706. Here you can see when we are making greatest number, what will be descending order will be here. So which one is the greatest digit in this? You can see 9 is the greatest. So firstly write here 9. Then after 8. 8 after what is the greatest number? 7. And it is given 2 times. So 2 times right here. Then after 6. Then after 5. And last one is 0. So required what will be here? 9 lakh. It is 98,77,650. Okay. Similarly, we can do this example also. And making the smallest number, how to make? When we are making smallest number, always remember it. When write the digit in ascending order, it means smaller to bigger number. Okay. And one more thing, remember it. This one point. As 0, 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9. And here we call it 2, 3, 5, 6, 9 means 23,569. It means don't write the digit means smallest number with 0. Okay. If the 0 are given, then place them after the next smallest digit. Okay. We will put that digit after the next smallest digit. Okay. So one example, as you can see, 58438, and here we are making smallest number. What we have to do here? Arrange these digits into ascending order, means smaller to bigger. Here you can see 34588. It is going smaller to bigger digit. And here which one is given smallest? 3. Then after 4, then after 5, then 8, and then last also 8. 2 times it is given. Okay. So required naming word 34,588. Next here is given 5930602. Here 20 are given, you can see. So don't write this smallest number with 0. We know very well, yes, 0 is the smallest number. But don't start the smallest number with 0. Always remember it. What we have to do? Place them after the next smallest digit. So after that, which one the smallest digit? 2 is given. So start with 2. And 2 after 2 times 0 is given, right here 0, 0. Then after smallest number 3 is left. And 3 after 5, 5 after 6, then after 9. Okay. Now let us start the exercise third B. You can see screen. Question number first. What is given here? Write the place value of the digit. Means here number are given and in circle digits are given. We have to write the place value of these given digits. Okay. So place value of digit, what? It is a position of a digit only. Okay. So as you can see, first a part, what is given here? 27,835. So firstly we will read the place, otherwise you can write these number according to their place value, place only. So here first digit, what is given in circle? 5. Look at the place of 5 in this digit, in this number. What is given? Place of 5, it is given at ones place. So 5 ones, place value what will be? 5 ones, 5 into 1, 5 only. Look at the place of next number, what is? 3. It is given at tens place. So 3 tens are equal to 3 0, means 3 0 30. Okay. Next 8, it is given at which place? 100. So place value, position what is coming here? 100. So place value 8, what will be? 800. Okay. And as I told you, in 100 how many 0 are there? 2 0. And 1000 will be 3. 10,000 4 0 will be. Okay. Next what is given? 7. Look at the place of 7 in this number. It is given at 1000 place. So 7000 will be 7 0 0 0. Okay. Next 2 is given at 10,000 place, and in 10,000 How many 0 are there? 4 0. So place value of 2 will be 20,000. And write here 4 0. Okay. Wait. Again I am writing this place value. Here will be 4 0. 1 2 3 4. Okay. Similarly, next part also. Here 5. Which one place? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. It is given at which place? 10,000. So place value of 5 what will be? 5 after how many 0 will be? 4 0. Okay. Next 3 is given at 1000 place. So 3 after will be 3 0. Next 8 is given 100 place. So place value 8 what will be? 800. Then 7 it is given tens place. So 7 tens are equal to 70 70. Next 2 is given ones place. So 2 ones are equal to 2 only. Next 6,48,051. Here you can see it is given up to lakh place, and in this 1 at which place? Ones place. So 1 ones 1 only. Place value of 1 1 only. 5 is given tens place. So 5 tens are equal to 5050. And 0 100 place. If we do multiply any digit by 0, then answer will be 0 only. Okay. And 8 is given at 1000 place. So place value of 8 what will be? 8,000. And 6 is given at which place? Lakh place. So 6 place value of 6 what will be? 6 lakh. Okay. Then write here 6 lakh. And lakh how many 0 are will be? 5. Got it? Similarly, next D part also. Here 1 is given at lakh place. So 1 after how many 0 will be? 5 0. Right here 1 lakh. Why? Because it is given at lakh place. 5. Next digit is given 5. And 5 is given at tens place. So 5 tens are equal to 5 tens 50. And 4 is given 10,000. So place value of 4 what will be? 40,000. And how many 0 will be? 4 0. Next what is given? 8. It is given at 100 place. So what will be place value? 800. Okay. Next what is given digit? 6. And 6 is given at 1000 place. Look at the. So place value of 6 what will be? 6,000. And 1000 how many 0 are there? 3 0 are there. Okay. So students, only simply read the place of the digit. Okay. Then write the place value of the given digit also. So as I done these A, B, C and D part, similarly you will do other remaining part. Which are remaining part I will give you as homework. Got it? So here how many part? You will do E to I part. Okay. These part will be as your homework. Students, till for today this is enough only, and in next video I will start question number 2, which is fill in. It will be as tomorrow only. Okay. And you practice of this one question number 1 properly, and do your homework also properly, which are remaining part. Got it? So now thank you students. Have a nice day.